Hey everybody, John here. I just got in from Bose, the Bose Alto sunglasses. These are the new Bose smart sunglasses, and I want to do an unboxing of them. So there's alto and rondo. I got the alto, which is the angler version, and so let's go ahead and take a look. They have speakers in them, which allow you to see, allow you to kind of hear the music while you walk. So that's pretty cool. So as I open it up, this is what it looks like just coming from Bose. Got my Bose thing. I'm so glad for Bose getting me these. And let's go ahead and take a look. So I'm gonna open them up. Looks like we got a nice little bag here. I'm gonna knife them open right here. Okay, so here's the box. And as you can see, premium box, very nice. They've got a nice little pull tab here to kind of pull that off really nice. And you got one on each side. Once I do that, you can see that Bose frames, Alto, black, US. Now there's small and large. Let's see, which one did they give me? I am really not sure if I got the small or the large, but let's go ahead and see how they look on me. All right, as I open it up, nice box, very, very nice box. I do have, looks like instructions and nice instruction booklet. We don't really need instructions because we are professionals here, right? Okay, so in looking at this box, this is really premium look. It almost feels like a very nice leather or leatherette material. So if I open it up, it's that's magnetic, so that's nice, or snappy. I'm really not sure. No, I'm guessing they're not magnetic. They just snap down. But oh, look at that. The case is really nice. It's got a very soft material inside, which gives a good premium feel to it. So as I look at it right now, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and looks like I've got a charging cable right here, and here's the sunglasses. So very, very nice. So in looking at this, I did go to the store earlier and kind of preview these a little bit.
Capability?
It has AR capability.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Flips right in
my
there.
face.
As you can see, you've got your on-off button right here. This is the only button that you have right here. And over here, this is where your sound comes out. So we've got all the sound coming out of right here. And this is your magnetic charging right on the right side. So you've got magnetic connector right there, and that's in gold, and it looks really nice. These glasses are my style. So if I'm wearing sunglasses, that's pretty darn cool. And they are kind of an over-the-ear concept that, you know, just kind of sits on top but doesn't cover your ears, so you can hear music. You can hear cars and buses and things like that. So let's go ahead and see them on in a second. But first I want to see what is in this bag. This is, of course, our charging cable. So it's magnetic charger. Look at it, it's nice and gold. And I'm going to go ahead and open that. Okay, let's get rid of that. All right, these are $199.95. So these are $200 sunglasses. But I really like the way they look. They don't look very bulky at all. So here's our cable right here. And as you can see, we got our charging connectors and magnetic. Everything's gold with a USB connector. So I just did that. It just went on just nicely. So here you go. Just do this, and we'll just clip right on. Very, very nice and secure. That's really nice. And if you're gonna just kind of put them on, they're gonna be nice. So let's go ahead and try these on. Okay, so I'm gonna take these off, my glasses, because I can't wear them over. Let's see how I look in these. All right, well, from what I can see, they feel really light and comfortable. I mean, I really like them. I mean, and I'm inside, but what's really cool is I wanted to know this. So these are something that seems like you can wear inside, and they're not too dark. Like, it doesn't change too much from inside and outside. So it looks like this is something you can just kind of be cool and wear inside, and you won't even have a problem. It won't be like you're bumping into things. But it feels really comfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and pair these and see what the setup process is. So you have to download the Bose Connect app, or you can just connect via Bluetooth, so it's not really a problem, but they recommend downloading the Connect app. You'll probably have to do a firmware update, and then you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and try that. Okay, so I got the USB plugged in. Let's go ahead and just see what happens when I just connect it up. As you can see, a little white light goes on, and that white light tells you that it's connected and charging. So I'm gonna leave that like that, and I am going to go ahead and get the app going. Music sounds pretty good. I can definitely hear it at 50% volume. I don't think anyone's going to hear it. If you turn it all the way up in a quiet room, somebody might hear some bleed through what you're listening to, but just normal walking around outside, I don't think anyone's going to hear this. So I'm really liking it. Let's go ahead and try it outside. Sound is pretty good. Okay, so these glasses are really, really cool. I took them out for a walk. I took them out for some working out, and what I noticed was they sounded really good. And I definitely noticed that when I was using them at 50% volume, I could definitely hear everything around me, and that was really good. They didn't have much bass, but they sounded really crisp and clear. Definitely a great Bose product. No one knew I was listening to music when I was doing it, and also I talked on the phone with them. Talking on the phone was a great experience because when I told people that I was on the phone with them with the glasses, they were very surprised. They thought I was basically sitting next to them, they said. So that was really a good compliment. So these frames are really cool. I definitely like them. They're lightweight. They definitely feel good. One thing I noticed is when I'm inside, I definitely could see very clearly indoors, so it wasn't too dark. So these sunglasses are like, I think they're like movie star glasses in a sense, because you could wear them inside and out, and you don't have to take them off. You don't feel like you just walked into a dark room when you walked inside. So really, really cool. I could definitely hear everything around me. So if you like this channel, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.